Hi guys, welcome back to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I'm here to go over our clearance sale information again with you for Friday, May 10th through Sunday, May 12th. And these items are going to be an additional 50% off. So the prices that you're going to see on our screenshots are what you're going to pay. As you can see, this is a seasonal and core event. The items that are coming up are paper products. We have laundry in this. I believe there's possibly some air care. We do have older visuals that are on our website, and later on in this video I will show what the thumbnail of each video would look like on our YouTube channel from previous clearance sales that have the older clearance items. These screenshots in the videos from this week and one that I put out last week are all just the new items from newer lists. So as we move forward with these items, I just want to let you know there are coupons for some of these items that should attach. Now, we are having issues trying to get things to load in the Dollar General app, so we have not been able to put together some coupon matchups for you. We're hoping that we can get some done, but if we are not able to, please be aware that certain brands may trigger in your memory that, hey, I think there's a coupon for this. Definitely scan with your app. Make sure you're set to the location you're shopping in. So if I'm in store A, I don't want to be set to store B because pricing and things like that could vary. So I'm going to let these play through and I will be back in a moment. As these visuals wrap up, I think this is the last one here. I just want to remind you, we have previous videos put out. So we have this one, which is from the last clearance sale, and I will link to all of these in our description box, so make sure you check them out. We have Personal Care Part 1 from the last clearance event that has the older visuals. Some of those items are probably no longer available. That's why we didn't add them to here. Then we have the Part 2. Again, everything is going to be linked in the description box. Personal Care Part 1 with this thumbnail is the first one for this clearance event, all new visuals. Then we have our Part 2, which we put out yesterday. And then we have our clearance event from last time with these household items. Be sure you like, follow, and share. Leave me a comment, even if it's just to say hi, maybe a suggestion or something else you would like to see us do videos on. Follow us on Facebook, here on YouTube, Telegram, and also rolloutsavings.com. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon with the next big deal. Bye, guys.